diriwang sila'y magiging isa. Sila'y mabubuklod, matitipan, panghabang buhay. Ang sabi sa Ebanghelyo, ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi pwedeng paghiwalayin ng tao.
Look out and see the world. It takes everything we have to face it. Without a sound, we take a step. Inside our hearts are racing. If it takes forever, we'll get there together. Winding along this road, not knowing where it will go. No matter what life brings, if it's you and me, we're ready for anything. Watching the clouds go by, in our time we'll learn to fly. No matter what life brings, if it's you and me, we're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. So as we run into the sun, sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna make it somehow. If it takes forever, we'll get there together. I'm winding along this road, not
Hiniling ko ngayon na buong katapatan ng ipahayag ang inyong damdamin sa isa't isa. Bukal basing loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Ryan na iyong pakamamahalin paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Ryan, bukal basing loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Ann na iyong pakamamahalin paglilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
Boy, papayag ni Ryan kanyang first kiss kay Ann bilang mag-asawa.